So now let's see how we can work around with interactive fill inside of Corel Draw. So in order to work around with interactive fill, first of all, let me just go ahead and bring in a shape right here, just like this. So now in order to work around with the interactive fill, first of all, you need to go around and click and hold the fill right here. And you can see that interactive fill is an option. So if I were to go around and select this out right here, then what happens is that I can click and drag around in order to, let's say, for example, fill out a gradient. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here. And if I were to simply go around and click and drag right here, I can go around and then just make the gradient as I want right here, just like this. And you can see that these are the colors that are selected by default right here. You can even go around over here onto the color range right here and select the color that you want right here, just like this. So let's say, for example, I can select another color and apply it right here, and you can click and drag it out again to change around how the fill actually works. And you can change around the gradient right here, just like this as well. Apart from that, there's the vector pattern fill, as you can see right here, that you can go around and click and drag around, and you can change around the vector pattern as you like from over here and fill it out as you like. Apart from that, you can also work around with the bitmap pattern, as you can see right here, and choose the bitmap pattern of your choice as well by simply selecting this. Apart from that, you can go for the two color pattern fill right here as well, and there are many different two color patterns, as you can see right here. And you can also choose the two color pattern right here, the color from over here. Apart from that, you got this kind of the pattern right here, just like this. And you also see that there's PostScript right here, just like this, and so forth right here. Many type of let's say, for example, patterns right here, just like this, as you can see right here. So you can go around over here and select this right here and so forth. And this is what you have, as you can see. And you can see in the fill section, you can see that this is actually selected. You can go around, change around the frequency, the line width right here, just like this, and change around the settings according to how you want right here, and refresh it out just like this as well, and choose different sort of PostScript fill from over here, just like this as well. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with interactive fill inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.